Hello students. In the previous class, we have discussed about the theory regarding measurement of national income. There you have studied that there are three methods. The first one value added, second income method, and the third one the expenditure. Now here I am going to start some numericals related to the value added method. The two terms which you will have to keep in mind very properly. The first one is the domestic income, that is net domestic product at factor cost, and the another one is national income is equal to NNPFC. As you know, the national income is the sum of NDPFC plus NFIA. Okay, domestic plus net factor income earned from abroad, that will be your national income. And the two important terminologies are, the first one is gross value of output at market price. What is the meaning of this? Gross value of output. How will we calculate? Sales plus change in stock. Sales refers to what? Not only the domestic sales. Domestic sales plus exports. Is that clear? Not only the domestic sales plus export. Then plus, what is the change in stock? That is closing minus opening. Whatever you have added during the year in the stock, that is called closing stock. So this will be the gross value of output at market price. Clear? Now the next thing is GDP, gross domestic product at market price, or gross value added at market price. This is called GDP-MP or GVMP. The both are the same things. Is equal to GVMP, which you have calculated here. How? Sales plus change in stock. Here what we are going to find out? We are going to find out what is the GDP-MP or what is the GVA-MP. So the GVA-MP, the total sales and the change in stock which you have produced during the year minus intermediate consumption. Intermediate consumption refers to what? It means raw materials. Clear? If the total sales and change in stock, the sum of sales plus change in stock is called GVMP, and if the intermediate consumption is deducted from there, you will get GDP-MP or GVMP. Now there some students have some problem or confusion. Sir, why here is GDP-MP? How you came to know that it includes MP? Actually MP refers to what? MP means market price. Okay, it means market price. And if the sales is here, it means what? Sales is always calculated at market price, na? That's why here is GDP-MP. Very clear? No one can say, sir, here should be GDP-FC. GDP-FC can be here, but when? If the NIT is also deducted from here, then only it will be considered GDP-FC. Very clear? The difference between the market price and factor is cost is what? That is net indirect tax. So we are mentioned here only GDP-MP. Clear? Okay students, now focus on the next question. Calculate value added by firms A and B and GDP-MP. Now here is, there are two producers A and B. So first A. What A is doing? Export by firm A. Export, that is 20. So it will be in the category of GVO-MP. As we have discussed, what is the meaning of GVO-MP? It means sales plus export. Okay, so export will be in the GVO-MP. Next, import by firm A. Import means what? That we are purchasing something. So here import, how much? 50. So that will be your intermediate consumption. Then sales to household by A. If assume that I am the A, then I am sales to household. How much? This is 90. Look here, sales is in the category of GVO-MP. Then sales to B by A. Again, I am selling. Sales to B. Sales to B. How much? That is 40. Next, sales to A by B. Now look here. Sales to A. Who is selling? B. B is selling to A. If B is selling to me, then what I am doing? I am purchasing that. So purchases from B. How much? This is 30. So here will be 30. Is very clear or not? Look, sales to A. I am A. Someone is selling to me. So sales to A by B. In the category of B, you will mention here sale to A, and it will be mentioned in this category GVO MP. Very clear. Next, sales to household by B. B is selling to household. Here, sales to a household. How much? 60. Now, if anything is purchased by B or not. See properly, if anything is purchased by B or not. Yes, there is sales to B. It means what? Is purchased, है purchased from A. If A sale to B, it means what? Definitely B has purchased that. How much? 40. Okay, now done. Now just calculate. The total of this is 150. Then total of this is 80. So what is the GDP MP of A? Only A. Here I am talking about. Look, the question is what? Calculate value added by firm A and B. So A's value added will be what? GDP MP of A is what? That is 70. I don't think there is any doubts. Producer A exported 20, sales to household 90, and sales to B 40. It means he total sold goods worth rupees 150. And what is the purchase value? That is 50, which is imported, and 30 purchased from the B. Total 80. Means the worth of 80 he sold out for rupees 150. So the value it is 70. Now what about the B? Here is 30 plus 60. So 90. 90 is selling price or the GVMP, and the intermediate consumption is 40. So what will be the GDP MP of B? It will be 50. Very clear. Now the next thing is, here we have calculated the value added of A and B. Only in this question we assume that in our entire country only two producers are there, A and B, and actually the figures are in crores. So A generated 70 crore GDP and B generated 50. Now what is the GDP MP of our country? The total GDP will be what? 70 plus 50, that is 120. Very clear. This is 120. But some of the students have, sir, where is the national income? Now if we proceed this question, then how can you calculate national income? The first, what is the formula of national income? I am erasing the question now. Okay, now if the GDP MP is 120 and some other information is given the question, like net indirect taxes, that is 20, NFIA is equal to 10, then what is the formula of national income? The formula of national income is NNPFC is equal to NDPFC plus NFIA. Okay, here requires one more item, that is depreciation. If the depreciation is 5, so then how will you calculate the national income? The national income will be calculated this way. First, this GDP MP should be converted to NDPFC. Okay, how will you calculate it? How will you convert it? NDPFC. GDP MP is 120 minus, what will you deduct? NIT. Why? Actually MP and FC, the difference of this is NIT, and NIT is 20. Now the next thing is what? Here is gross and here is net, and the difference of gross and net is what? Yes, depreciation. Now the NDP FC will be what? 120 minus 20 minus 5 will be 95. This is the NDP FC. But you are saying this, where is the national income? Okay, what is the formula of national income? NDPFC plus NFIA. Now NNPFC is equals to, NDPFC is what? 95 plus, and NFIA 10. So our national income will be 105 in this question. Yeah. Basically what I want to explain, that once you calculated the GDP MP, after this it is not very tough to calculate national income. Okay, just do this.